InVideo is a cutting-edge online video creator that empowers users to quickly and easily create professional quality videos. With a user base of over 7 million people from 195 plus countries, InVideo has established itself as a go-to platform for individuals and businesses looking to create high-quality videos in a short amount of time. One of the key features that sets InVideo apart from other video creation platforms is its vast library of handcrafted templates. With over 5,000 templates to choose from, users can find a template that perfectly fits their needs, whether they're looking to create a video for an invitation, marketing material, or social media ad. The templates are designed by a team of professional designers, ensuring that they are of the highest quality and fully customizable to meet the needs of each user. In addition to its templates, InVideo also offers a world-class media library that includes over 8 million premium stock footage options from top providers like iStock by Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Storyblocks. This ensures that users have access to a wide range of high-quality media assets that they can use to enhance their videos. InVideo's customization options are also top-notch, allowing users to fully brand their videos with their own company logos, fonts, and color schemes. This means that users can create videos that align with their brand guidelines and effectively communicate their message to their audience. InVideo also offers a range of advanced features that make it easy for users to take their videos to the next level. These features include the ability to add stickers, masks, and power transitions, as well as the option to add multiple layers to a video. InVideo also offers automated voiceovers, which allow users to easily add professional quality audio to their videos. In addition to these features, InVideo also has an article-to-video feature that allows users to convert text into a video within minutes. This is a particularly useful tool for users who want to quickly create videos based on written content, such as blog posts or news articles. The platform's drag-and-drop interface is intuitive and easy to use, making it simple for users to create videos with ease. And with the ability to preview videos before publishing, users can be confident that their videos are of the highest quality before sharing them with their audience. Overall, InVideo is a powerful and feature-rich video creation platform that is perfect for individuals and businesses looking to create professional quality videos in a short amount of time. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, InVideo has something to offer everyone.